Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? As you can tell by the title, man, today we are picking up the C5. The wrap is all done, new design all done. So yeah, we about to be heading to my boy Paradox's, and we about to be fucking Kimbo outside making noise. We're gonna be heading to Paradox's. We're gonna be grabbing the C5. Before we go to Paradox's, we're also gonna be stopping by my boys to be checking out the paint on the Fox body. He already sprayed the door jambs and everything, so he's already in the process of getting the turbo notch painted. So yeah, we're gonna go over there first, and then we jet out the Paradoxes. You guys already know the whole history and rundown on the C5. I'm pretty sure you guys already kind of know what color it is, but I think you guys are gonna like this. Maybe some of you will, maybe some of you won't, but I think it's gonna look good. So anywho, no further ado, let's get ready to head up out of here. Yep, so yeah, I've been driving this thing around. Drove to the gym the other day. Since my C6 is all broken, at least his big brother, the C5, is coming home, so we'll have a running vet at least. Since the C6 is down, I think I'm gonna jump focus and start getting ready to clean up the FD, because the FD is next to get painted. I'm just like, part of me wants to change the kit, but the other part of me like loves the kit. So I don't know, maybe I'll just have them clean everything up and then run the same kit. Obviously that rear bumper's cracked. It's like a custom bumper or whatever. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. And then maybe sometime this week I'll start messing with the E30 suspension to get rid of this caster I was telling you guys about on the last video where I had updated you guys on the E30. As you can see, the caster's pushed hella far back, but I do have the new control arm mount, so hopefully that will correct and adjust the caster. Maybe sometime this week I'll get those on, but I'm gonna be focusing on these two cars here very soon. And same thing with the SE, man. I'm literally waiting on parts. That's the only thing that's holding up the SE is parts at this point. All right, so we're just getting here, and let me give y'all an advance already. Y'all already know I'm not gonna be showing y'all the color on the Fox today, so when y'all see this turn black and white, don't be getting all butthurt and mad because I didn't show y'all the color. Y'all already getting a reveal on the C5, so just chillaxing for the Fox. What's cracking, my boy? Okay. What's good? What's good?
It is. There's the blue you wanted. How are you?
Ooh, this color looks sick.
You like it?
Yeah, it's gonna look good. What you think of this color? Looks good, looks good.
I think it'll be the cleanest color you got in the car collection, honestly.
You said what?
Cleanest color you got in the car collection.
We're gonna see.
Color, I didn't say car, but color.
My man's been knocking this thing out. So originally when we came here, we thought it was just gonna be like a cut buff. It's ready, like it wasn't ready, so he had to go block it, do some more body work to it. But I mean, it's super clean now. I don't want people thinking it's just been sitting here. Like, this man's been updating me like crazy on this thing, so he has been putting in work in it. The hood was hella wavy before, so he had to redo the hood and everything. Ooh, you like it? You like it? Looks good. Looks like you laid it good too, you know what I'm saying?
The gun did all that.
It looked like it laid hella good.
No, I did.
I don't see no runs or nothing yet.
We don't believe in those here.
It didn't fisheye that bad either.
No.
I'm like trying to find something.
Keep looking. Keep looking.
Help me find an imperfection, all right? Runs. I don't see nothing yet. I don't see nothing. I like this color.
Yeah,
I keep walking by showing them, but it's like this is gonna be black and white for them anyway.
I know. Like, look at
They're gonna be hella mad, but it looks good. What color you like better, this one or the color that's on the 350Z?
I like this one actually.
Ooh. So he said the body's almost ready to be painted. Sit right here, it's a little wavy, so he wants to fix that up.
Side. Get this little rust out the way.
All right, so we're about to be heading out now. Got to get a good look at the notch. This thing's gonna be dope as fuck. And again, man, appreciate my mans right here for constantly updating me. It hasn't been sitting. It's supposed to literally been sending me pictures and videos like 12 o'clock at night, like, hey, I'm on it, this is where we at. So this thing literally hasn't been sitting. He's literally just been finishing up and cleaning up the bodywork and everything. So yeah, appreciate him for that. Unfortunately, it wasn't just a cut or it wasn't a block and seal and spray like it was originally supposed to be, but I'm glad that he's taking care of the body work. I think probably by far, like no bullshit, this is probably the most attention to detail that I've probably experienced at any body shop currently, man. Like, not capping, not just saying that. Like, took the doors and shit off, underneath, under here and everything. He like resprayed all that with the undercoating stuff. So, you know, he's actually like taking his time and doing everything. I told him not to pull the windows out, but he's just like, nah, I'm gonna just pull them out. I just didn't want, you know how hard it is to find these OEM original windows that still have the Mustang logo on there. So it was like, they have the aftermarket ones, but the original ones are hella hard to find. But he's like, nah, I get them out. So I'm gonna have him do all that. He wants to make sure everything's right. But yeah, man, this thing is like, it's gonna be clean. Like, he just went through everything and was just like, nah, I can't spray it like this, and making sure everything's right. Redid the whole hood. Literally just been going over everything. I think this thing's gonna be, once this is sprayed, it's probably gonna be like one of the cleaner cars. So yeah, we don't want to speak too soon, you know what I'm saying, just in case my man's mess up. But I appreciate you, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Like I said, you've been doing more than what was asked of it, so
It's all good. Trying.
I appreciate it. I respect you for not being like, nah, I can't spray over this like this.
Yeah, hell no.
Show, we out, bro. Thank you. Just keep me updated.
Yep.
Appreciate you.
Safe.
So what do you think? Body's hella straight. You see all those lines? Line work and everything? You how smooth it smells?
Yep.
That's smooth it's gonna be. Yeah, he's been going crazy on that thing. I think he's like, this is like his staple piece. Like, I want to make a example out of this thing. So hopefully it comes out flawless. I told him next I want to have him do my FD. Get the FD all super cleaned up. So FD, truck, and then, I mean, we'll continue on. Ooh, almost there. What's that song? How's it go? She be coming around the hills and the mountains. How's it go? I don't remember how it go. How it go? I mean, coming around the mountain when she comes. Vroom, vroom. Ain't that how it go? Vroom, vroom. You like driving through these twisties and turns?
Not in this car.
You like doing it in your 350Z?
Yeah, it's better in the 350Z.
You be pushing?
No.
You be trying to mob? He's gonna be sick?
Hopefully.
You think my grandpa's gonna be happy?
Yeah.
You think he's gonna stop it from breaking now?
Hopefully.
He went from one Corvette to the other? It's like, oh, C5 about to be done. Let's break the C6, bro. All right, here we go. We here at my man P-Dox's, man. And like always, before we even unveil this thing, you can always go to paradoxstyling.com and use the discount code Mike, aka my name, and get $25 off anything on the website, your wrap roll, whatever it is. So make sure you go over there, check out the website, pick out your own colors or whatever. There's a bajillion colors you can pick from and all kind of stuff. So yeah, that's the discount code. But anywho, waiting for Paradox to come outside, and then we gonna unveil this thing for y'all. Look at it with this little cover on there. It looks like a car from Gran Turismo. It's like, you know how on Gran Turismo when you just spin around and you win your car and it's like, oh yeah, if y'all interested in this glitter stuff too, you can get some glitter wrap from that man. Everything. Cameras on cameras on cameras. Cameras on cameras on cameras. You vlogging me vlogging you.
It's ready. It's ready. Yo, this car looks crazy.
I know, it's gonna be the sickest one.
I'm about to copy you. I'm about to do like a.
I'm gonna sue you.
A black
It's my
Spider-Man
design.
instead.
It's my design. I'm suing you.
I'm gonna do a Venom with just change out the face, and then I'll just keep the same pattern.
Let's do it. I can't wait to have a video that the title says suing my rapper. He scammed me. Hey, Paradox exposed. You know those will do numbers.
Exposing myself right now.
Oh, you got little hairy nipples.
Calm down. You gotta pay to touch those.
Do I? How much? Why you hiding?
You already kind of seen it, so you know.
I mean, I designed it. I know. We just don't know. We ain't got to see it in person yet.
Yeah, in person it's totally different.
She be trying to hide from the camera because she all prego, so she be like, "I look fat."
How's my baby doing?
Your baby.
Man, if that thing come out looking like you,
It's gonna come out looking Asian, bro.
let's do it. Let's do it.
All right,
Ready?
Let's go.
Yep.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
This looks good. Yes.
It looks hella better in person than on camera.
It does.
Picture, huh?
It's clean.
It does. Ooh, this looks sick as f. This looks good.
Can I spray some tire shine on your car?
What? You actually cleaned the wheels for once?
For once. Because you only come like twice a year now, so you know.
I know you got booked, man. I can't even get wrapped. I gotta make an appointment and stuff. That's what happens when you get rich and famous.
January.
Rich and famous, like, nah, bro, I'm booked out to next year. Like, what?
No, I'm just doing less cars.
This looks sick.
Look at that.
I love it.
Damn, son!
I love it. I love it. I love it. This looks good.
D5 or your then what C6?
I mean, this is a custom design, so it's like we actually put like time and effort into this one.
This is what
Yeah,
we
man,
got
this thing looks good.
left. So I cut this out of the back hatch piece. So even if we did this, you see how it's black here.
Yeah. Now let's do it on the inside.
And it's like,
We'll put it on under the roof.
see, this is what it would look like.
Nah, we can keep the black halo. I'm good with the halo.
Help me pop this.
Little separation. I don't know if I want to keep these wheels on here or not. I'm tempted to throw the black drag pack back on here.
Yeah, I think the blacks, if you got like glossy black wheels, it'll look hella sick.
Ah, but I like this breakup. Woo! The red off the red tail lights. This looks good. A little contrast isn't bad.
I thought the pattern breakup on the hood to the fender would look weird, but miraculously a lot of it lined up.
Yeah, right here, lined
Yeah.
up, kind of here.
So it's kind of interesting.
This follows.
And then we thought, I don't know, I thought there was too much black here, but I think that's fine.
Yeah, I wasn't happy about the black on the final print, but because remember on the actual Vector there was like it followed all the way through, but whatever.
Yeah.
All right, so we're doing underneath the Targa, putting a little bit of the design under there. That way it just gives a little shum on the inside when we look at, you know what I'm saying, a little shum.
Can you even see this top part of the roof
Yeah, you can.
when you're inside?
Yeah.
Like on camera?
Yeah, faces it up with the wide angle. And there it is, underbelly looking good.
That's right. I don't know though, but this is textured, so you guys see this popping up? It is what it is.
Hey, if it pops up, then what?
Then you rip it off.
No, you missed it. Then what?
Then what?
C6.
Right.
Drum
Then
roll. Hey, drum roll.
Oh! How tight that is?
Oh no, I didn't get my finger in there.
Doing squats.
Ooh. Yes. So sinister. All right, man. So we're about to be heading out. Yeah, we're about to go do some rollers and stuff. Get a couple different angles and stuff for y'all. That way y'all can see a little bit more moving action footage and stuff. But I think this looks good, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I know it's not completely red like my grandpa wanted his C5, but I think this looks good. I think this is a different type of way of tying everything together, kind of still giving him what he wants, along with adding my own little flair to it. But I think this looks really good, man. Yeah, couldn't be happier with this. It came out good. That's probably the longest I've left a car here. I left it here for 2 weeks. That way we can kind of let the wrap sit in the sun to make sure we wasn't gonna have any areas where it lifted. And overall, it just looks good. I'm still debating if I want to keep these wheels on or if I want to swap them to the black drag pack, but I'm happy with how the car came out. So yeah, anywho, man, let's jump into it and get these rollers for y'all. This right here is like kind of like my little theme for my vets, kind of like my little trademark. Always add a carbon inlay in here. I just like the way the carbon inlay looks. Kind of just gives contrast around the lights and stuff. Kind of makes them look like they're in deeper.
It's all independent, the fans backing it. Real love, this ain't for the fame or bandwagon shit. I'm trying to move around and get depressing at home. Life been hitting like Sylvester Stallone. It's been a rocky week, brain work. I ain't used my heart in a while. Gotta get the fans bouncing off the audio files. I got them waiting on my sentence like they caught in a trial. Why you hating? Don't get caught in denial. Yeah, I remember y'all. Left me out to dry, but I came back. Boy, you gotta know we don't play that. Boy, you gotta know we don't play that. I've been laying low, I had to stay back.
Alright, so now that you've seen it, what do you think?
It's pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
Which one you like better?
What?
This one or that one?
That one.
Why you like the red one better? Why?
I don't know.
It looks better? It's just cooler?
Yeah.
Cooler
Yeah.
design?
Yeah.
Watch the next one I'm designing for this car though. It's gonna be sick. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna look dope. You're gonna like it. What?
It can't be done till after February.
Why?
You're saving money for our baby.
Oh, yeah. Well, Paradox is my sponsor, so, you know what I'm saying? That's different. We got a lifetime free rap sponsorship with Paradox.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's my sponsor brother. Yep, Granny approves. She says she likes this one better than the C6. But yeah, man, we're gonna wrap this up. Hopefully you guys like this. Oh, one more thing, man. You guys know I don't usually be like, oh, like and subscribe or whatever, but for the people that are watching, make sure you are subbed, man. I be seeing so many up and downs on the analytics on the sub stuff. Majority of the views are coming from people that are already subbed, but then it's telling me like, oh, some of the people are subbed, don't have notifications on and all that. So yeah, man, if y'all wanna help and support, just turn y'all notifications on. Make sure you check and make sure YouTube didn't unsubscribe you, because sometimes it's for some reason unsubscribing certain subscribers. I have no clue why, but if you are one of those people, just double check and make sure they didn't unsubscribe. God damn it, tongue tied. Just make sure it didn't unsubscribe you, man. And yeah, that's all I want for you guys. That's all I want from you guys is to just support the channel. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys love it. We're gonna get up out of here. Until next time.